How to delete Instagram account permanently. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. Once you land to the profile page, at the top right corner you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Now head towards the option of settings and privacy. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Click on the very first option, account center, open it. Now you have to open this option, personal details. Open this option, account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion. Now check in for this option, delete account. Click on continue. Now you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your Instagram account. After you select the reason, click on the option continue. Click on continue. Now you have to type in your password and click on continue. With that, your account will be scheduled for deletion. After completion of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So this is how you can easily delete Instagram account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.